How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to discuss auto insurance for your electric vehicle, and specifically here in the state of Michigan. Whether you're a new EV owner in the market for one or just curious overall, then this video is for you. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their cyber liability insurance and their broader commercial insurance programs as a whole, as well as families and individuals on their personal home and auto insurance. My goal with this channel is to give you a little bit of educational information so that you can make more informed decisions around insurance, whether it's for your business or, again, your family as well. And overall, help answer any questions that you may have in regards to insurance. So let's get into it. First, we have to talk about and address the basics of auto insurance here in Michigan. Our state is a bit unique, and there are certain coverages that every driver is required to have no matter what. Personal injury protection, or PIP coverage, will cover medical expenses if you are injured in an auto accident. And this is regardless who is at fault. This is critical because in Michigan, your auto insurance, not your health insurance, covers your medical expenses. And having unlimited PIP coverage allows you to have necessary medical care without having to worry about any of the costs. Then there's bodily injury liability, which is another key component. This coverage pays for injuries that you may cause if you are involved with somebody else in an accident. It can help cover their medical bills, lost income, as well as the legal fees if they decide to sue you. Making sure that you have enough bodily injury liability coverage is very important in order to make sure that you protect your personal assets if you are ever involved in a serious accident. Now in Michigan, we also have a very high rate of uninsured drivers, which brings us to and underinsured motorist coverage. This coverage is very important because it protects you if you are ever in an accident with somebody who does not have insurance or does not have enough insurance. And given the high rate of uninsured drivers here in the state of Michigan, which is around 25%, so nearly 1 in 4 drivers on the road here, this coverage can help save you from high out-of-pocket expenses. Now, what makes insurance for electric vehicles different? There are a few key points to consider. Number one is going to be the physical damage coverages, your collision coverage and your comprehensive coverage. These are almost always going to be more expensive for a couple reasons. Number one being the battery. Batteries in electric vehicles are very expensive to repair or replace, and oftentimes when you are in an accident, the battery is damaged. So you'll notice when you do get a policy, you get a quote, that line item in particular, collision coverage, is much higher, is much more expensive than it would be for a regular combustion engine car. This goes the same for your comprehensive coverage as well. This brings us to our next point, the cost of repair to these vehicles. Many times, electric vehicles are more expensive to repair because they have specialized parts and technology. Specialized mechanics are often needed. So again, this will impact the premium as well. Next is roadside assistance coverage. Nearly every insurance company does offer this on their auto insurance policies, and given the range limits that many electric vehicles have, this can be very important to include on your policy. And it oftentimes is not too expensive to have on there. So as you can see, there are some unique aspects to insuring an electric vehicle here in Michigan, but overall, many of the key components are very similar to insuring a standard combustion engine vehicle. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for confidence in your coverage and at a great rate, and you are thinking about purchasing an electric vehicle or already have one, and this is the type of relationship that you would like to have with your insurance professional, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, whatever is easiest. And if you like the video and want more content like this in the future, please feel free to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about insurance, please feel free to leave them below. I would love the opportunity to help answer those as well. So thank you again.